Okay, this is our last example for dividing rational expressions. So for this example, we're going to do the whole flip and factor and flip. I like that one better. Factor and flip, meaning at the very end of this, we'll have this flipped and anything that needs to be factored will be factored. It looks like 7x cubed. It's just by itself there. And I definitely have to factor x squared. I'll make them different colors here. That guy will be factored over here. Looks like a trinomial, and there's no GCF. So 3 terms means the x box. So factors of -30 that add up to, and there's like a 1 here, so it's a 1x. So it's 1. And I need factors of 30, -30. So 6 and 5, and one of those has to be negative. Since the 1 is positive, the 6 has to be positive. So it's 6 and -5. And I get x squared. First term in the first box, last term in the last box. And then the numbers in the x, I'm going to take 6x and minus 5x. So the GCF of x squared and 6x is just x. X times x gives me x squared. X times, looks like 6, because that was the only thing next to it really. And then x times -5. So I factored that guy, and I get x plus 6, x minus 5. And now this is where we're going to flip and factor at the same time. So now this will land in the denominator in factored form. So if I look at x squared minus 6x, it's 2 terms. So I check for a GCF. Looks like I will be able to take out an x. So it's x, and then x minus 6. And then I'm going to switch over, and so now this guy is going to be flipped over here and factored. Is there a GCF for x squared minus 36? No, they don't have a common factor, but they are both perfect squares, right? Because x squared, square root of x squared is just x, and the square root of 36 is 6. So I'll get x minus 6, x plus 6. It was a difference of squares. So all these things are still very much a part of our lives here. Okay, and now I'm moving from left to right to cancel. So 7 doesn't cancel with anything. X cubed can cancel with a lone x on the outside of the parentheses, and it looks like we have one. X cubed and x. I have 2 more x's left over. Then I move from left to right. X minus 6 will cancel with x minus 6. And then I move again to the right. X plus 6 cancels with x plus 6. So what am I left with? 7x squared. And then everything that wasn't canceled, okay, there's really only one thing, x minus 5. So that is my final answer, simplified answer, after I've factored and flipped.